Good morning and welcome back. Today we will see multiple choice question on unit number 5, conventional fuels of IC engine. Question number 1, advantages of gasoline advantages of gaseous fuels is that option A, it can be stored easily, option B, it can mix easily with air, option C, it can displace more air from the engine, option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option B, that is it can mix easily with air. As you all know that gaseous fuels are volatile in nature. When they get in contact with air, they start vaporize. So they can mix easily with air. So option B is correct. Question number 2. Paraffins are in general represented by option A CnHn, option B CnH2n, option C CnH2n plus 2, option D CnH2n minus 6. So correct answer is option C, that is CnH2n plus 2. Question number 3. Paraffins have a molecular structure of what? Option A, chain structure, saturated. Option B, chain unsaturated. Option C, ring saturated. Option D, ring unsaturated. So correct answer is option A, that is chain saturated. Question number 4. Olefins are represented by the formula Options are option A CnHn, option B CnH2n plus 2, option C CnH2n minus 4, option D CnH2n minus 6. So correct answer is option A, that is CnHn. Question number 5. Hydrocarbons are decomposed into smaller hydrocarbons by what? Option A reforming, option B refining, option C cracking, option D polymerization. So correct answer is option C, that is cracking. Question number 6. The molecular structure of straight run gasoline is changed by option A cracking, option B reforming, option C refining, option D boiling. So correct answer is option B, that is reforming. Question number 7. For SI engines, fuel most preferred are option A aromatic, option B paraffins, option C olefins, option D naphthens. So correct answer is option A, that is aromatic. Question number 8. For CI engines, fuel most preferred are option A naphthens, option B paraffins, option C olefins, option D aromatics. So correct answer is option B, that is paraffins. Question number 9. Octane number of isooctane is option A 0, option B 30, option C 60, option D 100. So correct answer is option D, that is 100. Question number 10. Ignition quality of diesel fuel is indicated by its option A octane number, option B cetane number, option C flash point, option D fire point. So correct answer is option B, that is C10 number. So octane numbers are used for petrol engines. So correct answer is option B, that is C10 number. Question number 11. Isooctane has option A straight chain structure with 8 carbon atoms, option B ring chain structure with 8 carbon atoms, option C branched chain structure with 8 carbon atoms, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option C, that is branched chain structure with 8 carbon atoms. Question number 12. An effective method to prevent detonation in SI engine is what? Option A heating of the charge, option B cooling of the charge, option C increasing the charge pressure, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option B, that is cooling the charge. By cooling the charge, the temperature of that charge decreases, and because of that the overall temperature is less, so end charge temperature also less, so they will not achieve their autoignition temperature, so it can prevent detonation in SI engine. So option B is correct, cooling the charge. Question number 13. The major constituent of natural gas is option A butane, option B ethane, option C methane, option D propane. So correct answer is option C, that is methane. Question number 14. Addition to tetraethyl lead in gasoline is being discontinued as option A, it has a bad odor, Option B, it is costly. Option C, decreases engine efficiency. Option D, block the catalytic converter. So correct answer is option D, that is it blocks the catalytic converter. Question number 15. Crude oil is crude oil is separated into gasoline, kerosene and fuel oil by what? Option A, cracking. Option B, heating. Option C, fractional distillation. Option D, reforming. So correct answer is option C, that is fractional distillation. Question number 16. Abnormal combustion in SI engine cause. Option A, high ratio of energy decrease. Option B, excess rise in pressure and temperature. Option C, reduction in thermal efficiency. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. So because of detonation, the abnormal combustion happens, and because of that, as you all know that two waves, one is from spark plug and one is from auto ignition, both get coincide and create a lot of energy, sound, thudding sound. So high ratio of energy decrease because of that, excessive rise in pressure and temperature, unnecessary, that is reduction in thermal efficiency because of unnecessary temperature rise. So thermal efficiency decreases. So question D, all of the above. Question number 17, a good CI engine fuel should have option A, high octane number. Option B, very high octane number. Option C, a short ignition lag. Option D, all of the above. So correct answer is option C, that is a short ignition lag. So octane numbers generally used for a petrol engine. So because of short ignition lag, detonation tendency, knocking tendency reduces, and because of that, a good CI engine fuel should have a short ignition lag. If ignition lag increases, it directly result on a auto ignition. So the fuel, because of that because of that pressure increases, fuel will get maximum time, and because of that pressure, temperature increases, and high detonation may occur. So it is preferred to have a short ignition lag for a good CI engine fuel. Question number 18. So option C is correct, that is a short ignition lag. Question number 18. Blending of fuel is the process of what? Option A, just mixing two fuels. Option B, obtaining a product of desired quality. Option C, mixing of fuel and air for combustion. Option D, none of the above. So correct answer is option B, that is mixing of fuel and air for combustion, that is blending of fuel.